everybody, Johnny B. Good here. Hello and happy Monday, everybody. Today is Monday, September 24th, 2018. Local time is 4:30. Temperature is 80 degrees. Alright, we are located here at the W&B utility trailer service. There's nothing wrong with the trailer. The boss just had this irresistible urge to install a tracking device. That tracking device is also programmable. Well, basically he can change the setting, he can monitor the fuel level, he can monitor the temperature, he can change the temperature settings, he can defrost it, he can do whatever he wants to do with it. I think the installation was about $400, $430. That's without the parts. Mark was here earlier, or actually Mark was here last night, and Mark was the one that brought the part. In fact, Mark slept over here last night. Guess what? I used the blower today. I used the blower to clean the floor inside. Look how clean that is. Who needs a vacuum? Right? Oh, it worked like a dream. Oh, by the way, Mark was the one that brought don't tell me Mark dropped the trailer way high again. Well, not again, but yeah, he did. Not worried because it's empty. Why did they turn it off? Alright, we're not gonna be messing with this switch anymore. We're gonna be using that from now on. This is the on and off button. We still got to change the setting up there though. So Mark had R74 last night, and we're exchanging trailers today. This is my designated trailer. I'm kind of unofficially assigned to this trailer, and I like this trailer because this has got a load gauge on it. Look how high that is. Why is that wire hanging like that? Hey man, there's a wire hanging on the behind the fifth wheel. Can you just look at it, please? I think it's the wire that you probably, I don't know if it's a wire or a cable.
I don't know why that is.
Can you pull it?
I want to pull it. That's not part of the wire that I ran.
Which one is that?
I don't know. That's probably one of your trailer unit ones. Or the tractor. But mine's a thin, small one. Mine's this one right here. This thin one right here.
Alright, just can you show me which one that is and I'll just pull it?
This is yours right here.
Okay.
I don't know, that's probably for a trailer somewhere.
If anything else, I want it to be hanging back here, not up there, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. Remember, we're not hooked up yet. I gotta go. Alright, sorry about the interruption. That was the boss man calling. When he says jump, I say how high, not why. Right? Okay, we need to go forward, not reverse. Alright, Sydney and I are on our way to Fort Worth, Texas. Sarah Lee load. Let's see what the address here. 4000 Meacham Boulevard, Fort Worth, Texas. Oh boy, open please. I'm in a hurry. This is not working out. Come on. Alright, here we go. Drive. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, we need to take 20 west. Oh, this is going to be a tight turn. Be quiet. My horn is bigger than yours. Okay, exit 453A, Texas 360. What are we doing? Exit 453 is 6.7 miles away. Grand total of 46 miles. Local time is 4:48. Basically, I'm gonna go right back to where me and Larry delivered last night then. But except it's Sarah Lee, that was a Marigold. But it's still on Meacham Boulevard. Alright, this exit right here is the exit for Costco. That's where Mark delivered at. Please ignore the beeping sound. Don't mention it, otherwise it'll bother me. If you guys mention the beeping sound, it's gonna annoy me. So nobody mention it. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, just a little bit of a recap. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I am picking up a load here in Fort Worth, and that delivers to Cisco and Little Rock sometime tomorrow. So it's going to be a short run. And then I would imagine from Little Rock, probably going to Russellville. Russellville to, who knows, probably Pennsylvania. But all I know at this point definitely is Fort Worth to Little Rock.
Continue on this road for 3.9 miles.
I wonder where Uncle Larry is. Exit 453. 1.4 miles away. A actually. Woo! Imagine, if you would, you're walking down a trail, a walking trail. It's just a narrow trail. People walk by, walk through it. Minding your own business. Next thing you know, somebody bits you right on your ankles. Somebody bites you on your ankle. It turns out to be a what do you call that? Alright, hold on. Which way? We gotta go this way. We gotta take. No. Next one. This pickup truck just not gonna give it up. He's standing his ground. And then they pretend they don't see you. Of course. So you're walking the trail, and then next thing you know, the rattlesnake bites you right there in the ankles, right? You don't see them right there on your lane, but they just come up and bite you. That's what I envision every time I go through a heavy traffic like that, and your lane is wide open, so you're just cruising along. The next thing you know, a four-wheeler comes out of its lane and just cuts right in front of you. And that's when people get hurt. Except in this case, instead of you getting hurt, it's the rattlesnake that gets hurt, right? All right, we got 10 miles to Texas 183 West. Texas 183 East. Fort Worth, Texas, Dallas. So, you guys have corrected me of the pronunciation of Euless. So it's Euless, not Eolus. Euless. Eulesless. Ooh, got my turn signal on. But one thing about, nice thing about this feature on this truck is that if you forget the turn signal, oh, it's got that annoying beep, 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 beep. Which is a nice feature. I mean, I gotta admit, I'm notorious to forgetting my turn signal. Silver bells, silver bells. Yeah, that dirty Larry. That dirty Larry. Check out Long Haul Larry on YouTube. Hey, Schneider. Move over, Schneider. Come on, Schneider. Well, actually, just goose it. Punch it, Schneider, punch it. All right, 7.2 miles to Texas 183. Dallas, Fort Worth. There was a YouTuber out there recently. I saw one of his videos that he put some lithium grease on his rubber stoppers, like on the hood or bushings, and get rid of all that rubber noise, squeaking. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Why am I singing Christmas carols? Okay, 3.9 miles to our exit, 32 miles to go. Kind of got sick and tired of listening to that beeping noise. So what I did is I engaged the cruise control at 68 miles an hour and let SJ control the distance and maintain the distance. But it's not doing, she's not doing 68 miles an hour, that's for sure. Because of Schneider up here. Finally, some sunshine. I should have put a spacer between the GPS and the dash. That way the sound can escape. The way it is, it's muffled. Well, SJ's keeping up, maintaining the safe distance. Whenever Snyder speeds up or slow down, or that car, she does everything exactly the same. Kind of like mirroring, I suppose. Okay, we go west. Yeah, we go west. We go west. We gotta go west. we were doing really good until now. Woohoo. Is this a 2-lane or 1-lane? I have no idea. I guess it's a 1-lane.
For 7.9 miles.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we got 7.8 miles to Interstate 820 West. So, this weekend is my wife's weekend off, and I also have a doctor's appointment on Monday. So I am hoping that the boss man can get me home this weekend. Good here. Have a good ungodly day. Peace.